What is up? So this video is starting out making a Harbor Freight run. I gotta take some shit back, and I'm gonna pick up some other stuff to kind of help me with this project. One of my fucking Allen wrench handles broke. These don't fit in my toolbox. I'm gonna take it back and get some different ones. And then that paint gun I used in the last video, I'm gonna take back and get a different one so then I can spray the clear. So I got like 40-minute drive or so to Harbor Freight. I'm gonna get that shit, and then I'll probably let you know what I picked up, and then I'll come back and do some more work on the bike. Alright, so I just left Harbor Freight. I got a bunch of other bullshit that I just kind of would like to have in my garage, and some more stuff for the build and I can use later. But it's snowing out, and I guess we're supposed to get some snow tonight, and I got a 40-hour drive back, so I'm gonna try to get on the road and beat that, and then get started working on this bike. Alright, so I am back now, as you can see. And all my paint's dried up. It dried overnight. It was fine this morning, but it did take a little while. So if you wanted to do the same stuff with that Rust-Oleum protective enamel bullshit, maybe put a little bit of like paint hardener or something in it. Maybe I'll give you a quicker dry time if you only got like a day or something to do it. Where I'm not really rushed for time because, as you can see, it's friggin' middle of winter. So hopefully you can see the snow outside. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is get that paint gun out, and since they come with like oils on them for when they manufacturing oil or whatever fuck shit, whatever you want to call it, I'm gonna clean all the oils and stuff off it and get it set up. And I got some disposable paint cups, so I don't have to try to clean the other ones. And then all that other stuff I got is just it's stuff I don't really need. And then I got clean and set, which you see there. But I did forget to get one of the spanner wrenches, so I need to go back and get one of them the next time I'm there. I'll pick one up. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this cleaned up and ready to use. Get that moisture trap deal thing on there, and my regulator back on there that I had on the gun from yesterday. And then I'm gonna get the clear set up, and I'm gonna spray some clear, and then hopefully that doesn't take too long to dry, and then I can start putting stuff back on, which would be sick. You don't know how ready I am for that. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so I got new drop cloth down, and got everything set up. I'm ready to spray my clear. I just need to thin out my clear just a little bit. This is what I'm using, this Rust-Oleum auto body clear bullshit. I'm just gonna thin it a little bit, and that way it comes out of the gun a little better. And I'm also using these Harbor Freight disposable fucking paint cups today, so I don't have to try to clean it, because from using that oil-based paint, it doesn't clean like at all. So I'm gonna try that out and see how that works too. I got the new gun cleaned. I got the air pressure set, so I just need to mix it up, pour it in, and start spraying. So I guess I'll bring you back. I'm probably gonna do 2 or 3 coats on everything, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start and try to hit like the insides of the wheels, and then down where the spokes like connect into the wheel. First I'm gonna do probably 2 coats like that, and then I'll lay them down, spray this side, flip them over, spray the other side, 2 coats, and yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of play it by ear. I'll bring the camera back once I got it all on. It says it dries within an hour, so hopefully I can get the wheels and shit back on today. That'd be sweet. Alright, so I got everything cleared. It didn't turn out like perfect or nothing, but for a budget bobber build, it's pretty damn good. The light in here sucks ass. Here's the other pieces. Yeah, they don't look too bad. I got them sitting over here so they can dry up a little quicker. I did fuck up though, and I had it too cold in here when I first started spraying, and the clear kind of started getting all wrinkly and shitty. But I sanded it down a little bit and then resprayed just some spray paint over it, which is the same shit, it's the protective enamel stuff. But I resprayed that over and then cleared it again and let it dry a little longer in between coats this time. But it didn't turn out bad for a fucking budget bobber. it's good. So this video is probably gonna be pretty short, so I'm probably just gonna extend this into tomorrow's video, and I'll be putting some more shit on, and yeah, if I do that, you'll see. If not, the video would have been ended already. But yeah, that's what she looks like. I'm gonna peel a little bit of the tape off, and then kind of just that way I can get the full effect of it, and then start putting shit on tomorrow because it is almost midnight and I gotta wake up and work in the morning. Alright, so it's the next day. I didn't get a whole lot done today, but I did get the rear tire on and all that shit back together. I just gotta get it back up in the air so I can take that shifter linkage off and get that cover back on, that front sprocket cover. But yeah, I got everything. It would be sweet to hardtail it and just have it like slam like this, but also the front wheel's not on, so the front will be going up a lot. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end this video here. I had to do another coat of clear on the front wheel, so I'm waiting for that to dry. I might, once I turn this off, put the headlight and shit back on real quick, and then I gotta clean the paint gun out again. But I figure I'd just update you, kind of let you know where I'm at. But if yeah, if you like this video, check out the other ones. Follow or subscribe to keep up with the rest of the build. All my Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, social media shit will be in the description or on the screen after this clip. So yeah, stick with me until next time. I'm out.